drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be my user.
Hello you guys, it is your bad bitch MUA Aggie Jay, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just gave y'all this colorful ass look. Like, you asked for colors, I stepped out the box, I gave you colors. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the look. Is it popping? Is it trash? Or what y'all want to see next? Just comment. Y'all never answer my questions inside of the videos, so I feel like y'all just like clickers. So answer my questions. I said, is it trash or is it popping? Tell me that, boo. And go ahead and leave some suggestions on my next video. I don't know what I should do next, so go ahead, let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know, so enjoy. Okay, hey you guys, I decided to do something really crazy and extravagant. We're just gonna get into the look because I don't want this video to be too long. I know this is not something that you guys are gonna like try to put on your face and go outside. I mean, I'm a bold bitch. I would go outside with this on because I don't give a fuck what nobody got to say about me. Okay. But I know, you know, y'all are probably beginners or naturalist. So this isn't really a, oh, I'm going to go here and put, you know, do this look. This is more so let's enjoy the colors. Let's enjoy the colors because what y'all commented in the comments, colors. So what I'm going to go in is the NYX Proof It. Okay. The NYX Proof It. Mixed in with my Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal. So let's just do that really quickly. Take this blending brush here and dab, because that eyeshadow primer base is really sticky. In a lot of palettes, so just stay with me and keep the hell up. Okay, so I'm taking the 210 Luxe pencil brush by Zoeva. It's very small and petite like that, and my Crayon Professional Makeup Variety palette, and I'm gonna take this blue here. That blue is so beautiful, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease, like. And I'm kind of flinging it out, but not really. Not too much. Not dramatically. Alright, so now we're going to take the Morphe 35B palette and we're going to go into that beautiful blue here. Damn sexy. And I'm going to take this little... It looks more like a brush you would pat on colors, but I'm going to use it because it's a fluffier one. Yeah, you should. I'm gonna use it to blend my blue, my lighter blue into that. And we're just gonna pack like we've been packing. I'm just gonna take my 231 Luxe Petite Crease brush by Zoeva. It's pretty like the pencil brush. It's really good for giving you those key creases. I'm gonna take the Morphe 35B and go into this yellow here and dig deeply. And I'm gonna pack it on the edges here first. To like, you know, get some yellow there and then pack it here. Now when it comes to packing the yellow, you can you're gonna be packing for a while. I'm gonna be packing for a while because I really like my yellow to stand out. I do notice that with this Morphe 35B palette, sometimes when I take pictures and I have a yellow cut crease, it doesn't show up well. But when I pack it a lot, it shows up. Okay? And you just, keep packing on that yellow until it is as yellow as the sun. Girl, just keep. So, I learned this lesson. I learned my lesson from just doing this eye. I have to wipe this blue off because my yellow is gonna look like shit. It's gonna be trash. So I had to get all of this off my lid. So basically I took a wipe and went in. And then I take my makeup remover and a Q-tip and just put it on the Q-tip and get really precise with it and try to mimic the other eye. So now I'm gonna take my infamous flat brush and my NYX eyeshadow base in white. And cut out my crease, mimicking the other side. All filled in, nice and white. So now I'm gonna go into laying down my yellow, and I'm gonna go into my crayon and Morphe 35B and use those two yellows to pack on my lid color. I'm using a flat little brush like this.
And love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be my user. When I was a river, tried it came to rain or I'm feeling drunk and high, so high, so high. I'm feeling drunk and high, so high, so high.
So I'm gonna take my flat brush that I use to cut creases and just dip it in like this, not like on the side, because I want all of it like literally coated so I can create this line. And I want to be mindful of you guys because I will get out of frame real quick.
Life is a drink, your love's about to make the stars come out. Drink from me, drink from me.
Alright, and then I go in my eyebrow. First, we're going to start off with blue. So I'm going to go into that Morphe 35B palette and take that very electric blue here. A pencil brush that comes from a random collection. It looks like that. And just dip in there and then place. Now I'm going to go into the e.l.f. smudge brush. It looks like this. Go into this purple and be mindful of that line. And I don't want to take it all the way up to my eyebrow because that is our blending space. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. eye crease brush, looks like this, and go into my crayon palette into this pink here. It's kind of fuchsia, but like a muted fuchsia, and add my, and I'm also going to use the neon. Okay, so now to shimmer my eyes, I'm going to take these two flat brushes and my Nubian 2 palette. I'm going to take the color Nairobi, and Nefertiti. Nefertiti is orange and Nairobi is yellow. Alright, I'm gonna pop on my lashes and be back for the full look. So now I'm gonna go into the BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush 2 palette and use this brown color here to contour my nose with this same pencil brush. Contour with my 127 Luxe Sheer Cheek Brush by Zoeva with that same color. This glitter gloss by Victoria's Secret, and see, it's probably gonna fuck up everything.
Angels sent from up above. I feel it coursing through my blood.
You was talking about me, but I was
Cut that shit off.
here. Is you still recording this?